This is a gerda. This is one of the ones that this is one of the locks that Lady Lock sent me. I'm just gonna use that generic tension tool and multi-pick flag. Something out of one. Something out of one. Nothing on two. Maybe something out of three. One, two. Let me readjust that. So click out of one, nothing on two. And I'm trying to overset something already. One, two, three. Just click on four. Click on five, nothing on six. Three, two. Four. Oh, I probably just dropped everything, but that's alright. 3, 4. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's open. I just had to go back and hit 5 a little bit farther down. When I tried to set it the first time, I dropped everything. But that is the gerda from Lady Locks.